So the last two videos I've done have both been GT builds. This one is obviously a Cannondale. So this one's a Cannondale F3000 CAD4 from around about 1998. You can see here it's fitted with the Fatty SL forks, which is the air version of the Fatties. They are the super light versions, with the original yellow shock boot, which is really hard to get there as well now, and a coda stem. Group set wise, we are going a bit of a mixture on this one. You can see we've got some coda cranks which fit onto the XTR M950 bottom bracket with an XTR rear derailleur, XT front mech, XT cassette and XT shifters. So this is going to be a 9-speed build. The brakes you can see there are the lovely Avid Ultimate and Supremes. Really hard to get. They would have come standard on this bike as well when it was built in 1998, 1999 sort of era. Really hard to get because they are so light, they work really well, and they look absolutely fantastic as well. Controls, we are having the Coda bars, a Thompson seat post, a Celia Italia genuine gel yellow seat, and a unbranded yellow bottle cage. In keeping with the yellow theme, some people might hate them, but we've got some Panaracer Fire XC Pro tyres in yellow on there. The wheels are Mark 1 Cross Maxes, so it should look a really good build when it's all built up.